Starrett's bandsaw blade family is complete. Each one has been developed especially to meet the user's specific needs. All have been produced using the world's most advanced production processes and have undergone rigorous quality control. These bandsaw blades make all cutting operations possible, from the softest to the hardest materials. And all this is possible with a noteworthy productivity performance. Starrett blades offer the shortest cut time in the segment. This is an incredible line of bandsaw blades with the best cost benefits on the market. So many advantages and so much technology could only be offered by a company that has been a world leader in bandsaw blades for over 100 years. What else would you expect from a company whose #1 goal has always been to offer total satisfaction to its customers?